Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to look at our Reimagined Study Hub, your one place for all your study needs. With our new sleek design, engaging video content, course notes, practice tests, flashcards, and much more. Go to www.schoolofpe.com and click on the login icon in the upper right-hand corner. Now that you are logged into your Study Hub account, let's go through each section and discuss how it works and what the features are, and how to maximize each section. The left side menu is broken up into Let's take a look at the lecture videos features. You can pause, rewind, resume where you left off, and you can even take notes within the videos. When you come back to those videos, those notes will still be there. You can easily bookmark a recording to come back and view at a later time. You can ask questions to instructors while also watching the lecture videos. Refresher notes. You can download and/or print your refresher notes through your Study Hub. This allows you to review the material before you watch a lecture video or while you're watching a lecture video. Another great feature of the refresher notes is that you can make annotations that you can later come back to and review again. Now let's take a look at the flashcards. Flashcards allow you to quiz yourself on important definitions with this flashcard feature. You can bookmark and you can also resume where you left off. The discussion forum is another great feature of your Study Hub. This allows you to communicate with other students who are taking the same course as you are. It's a great opportunity for you to maybe put some things in there that you think are relevant to the exam, or maybe you see that one of your fellow classmates has posted something in the discussion forum that's right up your alley of expertise, and you want to answer that question for your fellow classmate. Now let's look at the Practice Portal Pro feature of your Study Hub. This is a great feature of the Study Hub. This allows you to take tests, practice quizzes. You can build your own exam. You can even replicate an NCS exam. You can take a quiz for each particular subject. Maybe you're struggling in thermodynamics and you want to just take a subject-specific quiz. You can do that. One of the great things is that you can upload your own copy of your reference manual. That way you get the actual exam-like feel that you will on game day. You can build your own exam based on complexity, number of problems, subjects, specific subjects. These are all great features of the Practice Portal Pro. Study on the go. Download the Study Hub app or by using any device with an internet connection. You can study anywhere, anytime. Need additional help? We have you covered. We have technical support available 24/7 to help you with any of your technical issues.